हाँ चलो, let us continue. Rectangular field. हाँ, and there is no request, my dear. चलो, a rectangular field 6 is to 1 by 2 meter long. So this is the length. Length is 16 is to 1 by 2 meter. This is the length, and breadth is 12 is to 2 by 5. B means breadth. Breadth is 12 is to 2 by 5. 12 is to 2 by 5 meter is breadth. Find the perimeter of the field. So perimeter, so before we write, see, length is given 16 is to 1 by 2 meter. That is given in the mixed fraction. So convert that into fraction. So what is that? 33 by 2 meter. 33 by 2 meter. 16 to the 32 plus 1 33. Then breadth is 12 is to 2 by 5 meter. That is 12 5 is 60 plus 2, 62 by 5 meter. Okay. So now we want to calculate perimeter. So perimeter of rectangular field, there is a formula. Perimeter is 2 into 2 into length plus breadth. Yes, 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 33 by 2 meter plus breadth is 62 by 5 meter. So first you have to simplify this bracket term. This is addition of two fractions. Denominators are different, 2 and 5. So I will take LCM of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, correct? Yes? LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So this is 2 into, yes, multiply this by 33 into 5 upon 2 into 5 meter plus 62 into 2 upon 5 into 2 meter. So this becomes 165 upon 10 meter plus 124 upon 10 meter. Now denominator is same. You can add numerator. So 2 into 165 plus 164. 165 plus 124 upon 10 meter. So that is 2 into 165 plus 124 is 289. 289 upon 10 meter, correct? But what you can write 2? 2 I will write 2 upon 1. Yes, is it clear? Yes, tell me whether it is clear. 289. So 289, 2 I will write 2 upon 1. 2 I will write 2 upon 1. Now simplify. 289 upon 5. Let us, this is multiplication of two fractions. How we multiply two fractions? Multiply numerator to numerator. So that is 2. So 2 into 289 upon 1 into 10 meter. 2 5s are 10. So that is 289 upon 5 meter. But our question is given in the mixed fraction, my dear. So you have to write down the answer in the mixed fraction. So divide 289 by 5. 5 5s are 25. 39. 5 7s are 35. Then 4 is left. So this I can write 57 is to 4 by 5 meter. So we write perimeter of rectangular field. Perimeter of rectangular field. Perimeter of rectangular field is 57 is to 4 by 5 meter. 57 is to 4 by 5 meter. Yes. Now 11th one. A sugar cost 37 is to 1 by 2 per kg. Find the cost of 8 is to 3 by 4 kg of sugar. So what you will do? Yes, you will multiply a sugar cost. So per kg sugar cost is rupees 37 is to 1 by 2. 37 is to 1 by 2. So find the cost of, find the cost of 8 is to 3 by 4 kg. 8 is to 3 by 4 kg, we have to find the cost. So we will multiply cost of 1 kg with the number of kg. So multiply cost of 1 kg with the number of kg. So multiply and tell me the answer. Yes, multiply and tell me the answer. Now it is clear now. So cost of 8 is to 3 by 4 kg is equal to cost of 1 kg, that is 37 is to 1 by 2 multiplied with 8 is to 3 by 4. So 37 is to 1 by 2 is 74. 74 plus 1, 75. 37 2s are 74. 74 plus 1, 75. Then 8 4s are 32 plus 3, 35 by 4. Okay. So that is rupees 75 by 2. 75 into 35 upon 2 into 4. So multiply, now nothing, 75 and 35 you cannot cancel. Per kg sugar cost, cost of 8 is to 3 by 4 kg is rupees 37 is to 1 by 2 multiplied by 8 is to 3 by 4. 37 2s are 74. So multiply them. 75 into 35 multiply. 2 6. 2625 upon 8. But the question, it is given mixed fraction. So you have to convert that. 8 3s are 24. Then 22. 8 2s are 16. Then 65. 8 8s are 64. Is to 1 by 8. 328 is to 1 by 8. Yes? Just check the answer. Cost of 8 is to 3 by 4 kg is 328 is to 1 by 8 rupees. Yes? Check the answer. Okay. Then see here. Exercise 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let me give homework. Yes? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Homework. Because the same type of problem we have done in the rational number, my dear. Okay? remaining problem we will do. Whatever are similar type of problems that we are giving homework. Okay, so whenever it comes to multiply two fraction, we will give homework. We are already seen the multiplication of two fractions, division of two fractions. Now, so exercise 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They are homework, okay? Now 17th I will do. 17th. If A is 3 is to 3 by 8. A is 3 is to 3 by 8. B is 6 is to 5 by 8. B is 6 is to 5 by 8. Find A divided by B. Now find A divided by B. Chalo. Find A divided by B. How will find A divided by B? So A divided by B, you will write 3 is to 3 by 8 divided by 6 is to 5 by 8, correct? So mixed fraction you convert into fraction. 8 3s are 24 plus 3, 27 by 8. 27 by 8 divided by 53 upon 8, correct? But in division, when we convert division into multiplication, we take reciprocal of the second. So that will be 27 by 8 multiplied by 8 by 53. So now 8 get cancelled. 8 get cancelled. So that is 27 upon answer is 27 upon 53. Now you cannot write this in the mixed fraction. Okay. Only improper fraction we can write in the mixed fraction. So this is the proper fraction. So you cannot write down that is so A divided by B is 27 by 53. Find B divided by A. Okay. A divided by B, A is given 3 is to 3 by 8 divided by 6 is to 5 by 8. Okay. So 6 is to 3 is to 3 by 8. 8 3 is 24 plus 3, 27 by 8 divided by 8 6 is 48 plus 5, 53 by 8. Now when we convert this division into multiplication, we take reciprocal of the second. We interchange numerator and denominator. So 53 upon 8 reciprocal will be 8 upon 53. Then numerator 8 get cancelled with denominator 8. What is left? 27 upon 53. A divided by B. Now find B divided by A. Find all of you. Find B divided by A. Find B divided by A. Find B divided by A. Now second, B divided by A. So first you will write down B. What is that? 6 is to 5 by 8 divided by A, 3 is to 3 by 8. 6 is to 5 by 8 is 53 by 8 divided by 27 by 8. So 53 by 8. See here, when we convert division into multiplication, we only take reciprocal of the second. Reciprocal of second, not reciprocal of both. So reciprocal of second. So 8 by 27. Okay. Now 8 get cancelled. So that is 53 upon 27. So now this is the improper fraction which you can convert into mixed fraction. 27 manza 27. Then it is 1 is to 26 by 27. 1 is to 26 by 27 is B divided by A. B divided by A is 1 is to 26 by 27. So whenever you have improper fraction, that only you can convert into mixed fraction. Okay. Now 18th one. The cost of 3 is to 5 by 7 liter of oil is 83 is to 1 by 2. the cost of so do that. The cost of, so total cost is given. Yes. Whenever total cost is given and it is asked find the cost of one article, then we divide. When one article is given, to find the cost of many articles we multiply. That you remember. So 18. Cost of 3:5/7 liter. 3:5/7 liter of oil. Liters of oil is rupees 83:1/2. Find the cost of 1 liter of oil. So cost of 1 liter of oil, yes, cost of 1 liter of oil, we divide total cost 83:1/2 by divide this cost by 3:5/7, yes. So 83:1/2 mixed fraction. 83 to the 166 plus 1, 167. 167 upon 2, then divide by 26/7. So this is 167/2 multiplied by 7/26. 7/26. Anything get cancelled? No. So multiply that 160. So that is 167 into 7 upon multiplied by 2 into 26. So denominator is 52, but simplify numerator. Simplify numerator. 1169 upon 52. Convert that into mixed fraction. Rupees 1169 upon 52. So 1169 into 52 divided by 52. 52 2s are 104. Okay. Then it is 129. 129. 52 3s are 1. It will be more. Yes. 52 2s are 104. Then it is 25. Now it is smaller. You stop there. It is. My voice is full, my dear. Voice is full. So that will be rupees 22 is to 25/52. Yes. So cost of 1 liter of petrol. Rupees 22 is to 25/52. Okay. So cost of 1 liter of petrol. Then the product of two number is 20:5/7. The product of two number means first number into, my voice is full, my dear. First number into second number. Product means multiplication. Multiplication of these two is given 20. 20:5/7. One of this number is 6:2/3. One number is 6:2/3. Find the other number. So other number we have to find. Other number we consider x. So product means multiplication. So product of two number is 20:5/7. Product means multiplication. So multiplication of two number is 20 is to 5 by 7. One of the number is 6 is to 2 by 3. Find the other number. So other number we consider x. So we write let x be other number. Let x be other number. So write let other number be x. Let x be other number. Let x be other number. Then how you will form the equation? Tell me. Form the equation. So how we form the equation? 6 is to 2 by 3 multiplied by x is equal to 20 is to 5 by 7. This is the equation. Now simplify. 6 is to 2 by 3 is 20 by 3. 20 by 3 into x is equal to 145 upon 7. Okay. Now before equal to it is my left hand side. After equal to it is my right hand side. Okay. Whenever we change the side, sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, division becomes multiplication. So now if you see 20 by 3, 20 by 3 is there in the multiplication. So when I will take 20 by 3 on the right hand side, 20 by 3 will go in the division. Yes. So you will write x is equal to 145 upon 7 divided by 20 by 3. Divided by 20 by 3. When I will take 20 by 3 on the right hand side, 20 by 3 will go in the division. Now simplify. X is 145 upon 7. Convert division into multiplication. So that will be 3 by 20. So now this is multiplication of two fractions. 145 into 3 upon 7 into 20. You can cancel 145 and 20 with 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45. 5 4s are 20. So 29 into 3 upon 7 into 4. X is 29 into 3 upon 7 into 4. X is 87 by 28. 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 Now convert that into mixed fraction, because the question it is given mixed fraction. 3 is to 3 by 28. Yes. Okay. So we write other number is 3 is to 3 by 28. Other number is 3 is to 3 by 28. Chalo, last problem. By what number should 5 upon 6 be multiplied? 5 is to 5 by 6 be multiplied to get 3 is to 1 by 3. Same question. By what number? So let 5 is to 5 by 6 be multiplied by x. Be multiplied by x. We multiply this 5 is to 5 by 6 by 8. So 5 is to 5 by 6 multiplied by x. Get means equal to get 3 is to 1 by 3. When we multiply 5 is to 5 by 6 by x, we get 3 is to 1 by 3. Simplify this. Simplify. Okay. 5 is to 5 by 6. 5 is to 5. Wait, my dear. First you simplify. 5 is to 5 by 6, 6 5 is 30. 35 by x is equal to 3 is to 1 by 3. 3 is to 1 by 3 given in the question. Okay. So 5 is to 35 by 6 multiplied by x is 10 by 3. So now before equal to it is my left hand side. After equal to right hand side. Whenever you change the side, sign changes. So 35 by 6 is there in the multiplication. 35 by 6 is there in the multiplication. So when you will take 35 by 6 on the right hand side, it will go in the division. So x is equal to 10 by 3 divided by 35 by 6. So x is 10 by 3, then convert division into multiplication, 6 by 35. So this is multiplication of two fractions. So 10, yes. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Then 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. So answer is 4 by 7. Answer is 4 by 7. Can you convert into mixed fraction? No. Only improper fraction. Yes, proper fraction cannot be converted into mixed fraction. So we multiply 4 by 7 to 5 is to 5 by 6 to get 3 is to 1 by 3. To get 3 is to 1 by 3. To get 3 is to 1 by 3. Okay. No, I am not speaking, my dear. Now I am speaking. So answer is 4 by 7. Answer is 4 by 7. Answer is 4 by 7. Then see here, in rational number, we have studied various type of bracket. Vinculum, curly bracket, parenthesis, square bracket. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So that you remember. Vinculum bracket, parenthesis, curly bracket. So based on that, those type of problem we have already done in the rational numbers. Yes or no? Yes. So what we have planned, exercise 3D. Exercise 3D and exercise 3D and exercise 3. These two let us give self-study. Okay, same type of problems are there. Yes. My dear, you have to start because 3D and 3E, same type of problem we have done. Complete exercise, all the problem of 3D and all the problem of 3. Okay. Yes. Self-study means you can write in your homework book. Not in the class notebook. Okay. So 3D and 3E. Same type of problem. Your fractions are nothing but they are the rational number. The same type of. Yes. Notebook or in homework book, whichever book you want to write, you can write. So all of you solve one problem. Let me see. Surprise test. Surprise test. Hello, solve this. Surprise test. AB is 6 centimeter, AB is 6 centimeter, CD is 8 centimeter, CD is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Find 1 by 5 of CD of 1 by 5 of CD of AB. What do you mean by off? Off means, what do you mean by off in mathematics? Off. Multiply. So that will be 1 by 5 into CD into AB. AB and CD are given. Just simplify and tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. No, my dear. How 40? 1 by 5 of CD. CD is 50. And 90 upon 5 is nothing but 18, my dear. 5, 15 into 6. 5 3 is 15. 6 3 is 18. 18 centimeter is the answer. Okay? 18. So next period we will start decimals.